Today we're going to look at how to manage a course that you have created after that course is finished. You're going to start off by taking the class that you are no longer going to be using, and you are going to click on the Archive selection from the menu. And when you do that, it's going to ask if you are sure that's what you want to do, because your students and you won't be able to make changes to it once you've archived it. So you will click Archive, and then that class will disappear from your classes menu. If you go over to your classes menu and scroll to the very bottom, there's a folder for archived classes. When you click in there, you'll be able to see the different classes that you have archived. And from here, you can still open up your folder and see any of the assignments that have been created in that class. And you will also, from this area, if you decide that you want to go back to that class and give students access to that again, you can choose the Restore button. And when you do that, you can restore that class back to your normal class stream. So you'll notice that from here, that class is now available in your list of classes and not in the archived class. So, from there, though, if you archive it, again, you will have access to all of the work that was done in that class. But also, if you got to the point where you no longer wanted that available, you could choose Delete, and from there, you can delete that class permanently. And at that point, you would lose access to all of that stream that is in that class. However, all of the files that were associated with that will still be available for you in your Google Drive.